Hi, I'm Dr. Mohammed Rahman, a professor of marketing and the current MBA director at John L. Grove College of Business. Our MBA program is unique because we offer a variety of courses throughout the year, and we have online, 100% online, or hybrid options, which fits into different students' schedules, working or non-working student schedules. Now, our curriculum is aligned with the AACSB accreditations requirements. We focus on global citizenships and ethics and leaderships, and also our professors does extensive research in the particular industry, which they bring into the curriculums. Our programs, external learning opportunities. Sometimes some of the classes have simulations, or one program called International Business has a global team leadership skills development program. So those are external learning tools. And also in our programs, we are offering students to do some research if they're interested to do with the faculty. So in terms of a 100% online, students interact with their professors through their B2L or LMS learning system. However, in a hybrid classes, the students come to the classroom in this very small class size, where professors, students have interactions, and also students interact with the other students. And we are hoping to hold a networking events for our students who are online students to come meet and interact with each other and industry professionals. So, as I was mentioning earlier, our faculties are current with the research, and they do have a lot of connections through the advisory board, different advisory boards, College of Business advisory boards, and we get input from those industry and the conferences faculty attend and bring those into our pedagogy and try to include that in their everyday curriculum. One of the things I would like to talk about as an MBA programs, it is a challenging program, but students have options to do it small, bit size, or as a full-time student. So it's very flexible depending on your schedule, depending on your goals, depending on your demand and work-life balance. So you have 7 years to complete, but a lot of students complete within a year, within 2 years. It's all depend on you. So that's why the program is established.